Hey guys, behind me we have another beautiful home in Southern California, going solar, going green, taking advantage of their own energy. This is a beautiful install being done here by our team at Pacific Sky Solar. This is a special situation. This is a flat roof, so we had to use some pallet structure, make sure that nothing got drilled into the home. Here at Pacific Sky Solar, we'll make sure we do whatever it takes to get the installation done right and well the first time, so there's no hiccups and no mistakes. This is an 8.5 kilowatt system. We've had our guys working up here all day diligently.